Hey there! So today I'm gonna be doing something a little bit different. I want to declutter and I guess mostly reorganize my sewing space. So my sewing space is in my bedroom, so as you can imagine I don't have that much of a space here. I feel a little bit overwhelmed by all the stuff overflowing everywhere. I guess it's not that bad, but it's just a little bit too much for me. And so today I want to reorganize everything just to make it a little bit better at least. And I want to show you the whole process. Let me show you how it looks right now. So like I said, my sewing space is in my bedroom, and here by the door I have this a little bit of storage and drawers. These drawers, 3 of these are for my stuff, and also this top one, these 2 are for other things. And so in this bottom 2 and this one I keep fabric, and here I keep other stuff, I think some accessories and stuff like that, but it became a drawer that everything goes in, you know, this kind of drawers, and right now it barely opens. And here I keep my fabric, but it's really doesn't fit her here, and so I introduced these 2 boxes to keep more fabric there. But as you can see already, it's not enough. This stuff is what I got with this photo of reorganizing everything. And here is the bed, and on the other side is my desk that I sew at, and this desk has 2 drawers that I keep some stuff in, but it's a mess already as well. And it started spreading, so it's on my bed table already. And here are the boxes with some burdas, but the burdas already don't fit there, so I have more laying around here and also around the house. And here I keep my patterns. Yeah, so it's a mess as well, and some fabric scraps underneath, and here is just paper that I keep for recycling, but yeah, I just didn't get to get rid of it. And here is my vanity situation. Sorry for the dust everywhere, but I thought that it will be easier to clean everything while I'm at reorganizing. And here are my tripods and stuff like this. I will move it out of the way to just show you what is here. So here is a chest of drawers that I got for my makeup and hair stuff and stuff like that, but I don't need this many drawers, so I went ahead and reorganized it a little bit so that now I have some empty drawers for my sewing stuff, I guess. And yeah, I have some sewing stuff here at the top. Yeah, so this is what it looks like right now. And I think I will start with the easy stuff, so with my fabrics that is all there. So I decided to just take everything out of, and from the top of these drawers first. I found some macrame stuff that I forgot about, and also a kit from We Are Knitters lived there, so I have some of other crafty stuff here as well. And this long roll is some interfacing. The pink box is just scraps, so I decided to put it away for now. And all the fabrics I tried to sort a little while taking them out. The top drawer is a mess, and I put everything that was not fabric, that was mostly there, on the bed. Here are like big pieces of fabric that I really like, and I know I will make some good clothes from. Here are big pieces of fabric that I don't really like. I don't know some of them why I have them, but yeah, they're big pieces, so we'll see. Here are some like remnants, a bit smaller pieces, and here are interfacings, and here are bed sheets that I use for 2 walls, but I also have 3 boxes that I will have to check because there are some remnants in there, but I think there are some big fabrics in there as well. There were some big fabrics in these boxes as well. Okay, so I will start putting it back, and what my plan is, I will start with the biggest pieces and I will try to put them vertically so nothing is at the bottom, so when I open the drawer I see what's actually in there, so a little bit like KonMari method, I would say. I didn't sort my fabrics in any other way than what I just mentioned, like for example woven and knit, because I don't have that many anyway. I just put my favorites at the top and ugly stuff at the bottom. By the way, I know that what I probably need is more storage, but for now I will try to keep everything in what I have already, because, well, as you can see, my sewing space is in my bedroom, like I said, and I want to keep it that way, like it's a sewing space in a bedroom and not a bed space in a sewing room, if that makes sense. And then I went through the remnants and put them in the boxes, also trying to keep them vertically so I can easily see what's inside when I open them. Then I went through the stuff at the bed. I decided to throw some clothes away. It was all damaged, but I used to think I would make something from it, but let's be more realistic. Some pieces are just small fabric donors, so I moved them to the remnants boxes, and the rest I put in this top drawer. I put all the paper and interfacings there as well, and also some of my filming stuff. And let's move to the other side. I took my machines out of the way and started sorting all the bits and pieces. Some of it was with my fabrics before, but I want to keep it all together now. I decided not to take all the threads out because I wanted to keep them where they were, but I sorted all the other stuff. The trimmings I barely use, so them and also cords and closures like buttons, but also velcro, hooks and eyes and so on, I sorted and put in these new containers, and I will place them in this tall chest of drawers. But all accessories and also elastics I will keep in my desk because I use them more often. And then the other desk drawer, I didn't change too much. It's mostly machine stuff and scissors and basic things I want to keep close anyway. I put all the containers in the drawers and moved on to patterns. Oh, and I forgot, I keep fabric scraps under the patterns. So I decided to go through the scraps first. It may sound weird, but I keep the scraps either to try and make some Barbie clothes from them, but also to make some scrap projects that I've seen on Instagram. So yeah, I guess I'm a scrap hoarder. But I decided to get rid of a lot of it. This is everything I decided to throw away, and I put all the potential Barbie clothes stuff in one box and scrap projects in the other box. Okay, so to the patterns. Most of my patterns are in envelopes, but I had some mess there. Some I decided to just draw and write on them what it was, because there are some big pieces there and I don't really want to fold them so much. The rest I decided not to really touch because I know what is what, so I mess with it. This pressing stuff I don't have better place for, so it has to stay where it was. And now my burdas and printed patterns that are in the copy shop version or in home printed version but not assembled yet, I took it all out and then went to collect all the burdas laying around in my house. I started sorting the burdas by type, so burda easy and then special editions like accessories or vintage, and then regular burdas I sorted by year, and I also have a small pile of other magazines. I was very happy most of it fit in these boxes, and I even have some more room there for new issues, but the not assembled patterns I had to put back in the old box. I put it all where it lives now, and in the scraps I found some big pieces, so I moved them to these boxes. And then I put knitting and my macrame kit in this pink box. It's okay, I don't think my non-sewing stuff will grow much. And I put my machines back on the desk, and that's it. And let me give you a little tour now. It may not be a big change, but honestly I'm so happy. Here are all my beautiful fabrics, and at the bottom there is a drawer of ugliness. Here I have all this random stuff. It still looks unorganized, but I think I know what is where, so it's fine. Let's go to the other side. Here at the top is the pressing stuff. The first drawer is almost empty, so I have some room for new stuff, which is always great. The second drawer has all the fastenings, and there is more room there as well. And in this bigger drawer we have all the trimmings and cords and stuff like that. And then in my desk I will keep threads and hand sewing things and elastics and some other accessories. And in the second drawer all the machine accessories and manuals, as well as cutting and marking material things. And then my patterns and scraps, and as you can see, my bedside table is finally not occupied by sewing anymore. So thank you for watching this random video, I really appreciate it, and also it was long overdue. I'm so motivated to go sewing now when it's all more organized. And if you liked it, then make sure to click the thumbs up, and for more sewing and an occasional random video like this, consider subscribing. And I think that's it for today, so see you in the next one, bye!